Now here find the less number which will divided by the 6, 15, 18 and leave remainder is only 5 for each case. It means that is which number will divided by 6 and remainder is 5, which number will divided by 15, the remainder is 5, and which number will divided by 18, which remainder is 5. So here is to find the LCM of 6, 15 and 18. Now left hand side 6, 15 and 18. First will be 2, 2 3 is 6, 8 15 and 6 the 8, 2 9 is 18. Again 3, 3 1 is 3, 5 is 10 and 3 3 is 9. Again 3, 1, 5, 1 and 5 is 1, 1, 1. Okay, 5 3 is 15. The LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. This the LCM is 5 3 is 15, 15 3 is 45 and 45 2 is 90. Okay, this is the 90. It means the 90 is divisible by 6, 90 is divisible by 15 and 90 is divisible by 18 and whole divisible. But here question is asked the remainder is 5. It means the 5 will be plus 90 because that check 90 will be divided by 6, the 2 3 is 6, that 45, the 15 times will be whole divided. They are not come to remainder to 5, but question is asked the each case is remainder to 5. So that required therefore the required number is 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. So 95, the number is 95 will divided by 6, 6 1 is 6, 3 5 and 6 5 is 30, that remainder by 5. Okay, and after this solve this question you have solved, and after this question you have solved you will solve page number 66, example 14. Okay, page number 6 and example 14, and solve in your fair copy in main copy. Which copy? Math main copy. Okay, now page number 66 and example 44. Smallest 4-digit number will divisible by 18, 20 and 24. So first you find LCM of 18, 24 and 32. LCM 18, 24 and 32. Okay, find the LCM is first will be 2, 2 9 is 18, 2 12 is 24 and 16. Again 2 9 to 6 is 12, 8 is 16 and 2 9 3 4. Again 2 9 3 2. Again 2 9 3 1. Okay, next 3 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 1 and 3. This is the LCM is 2 into 2. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and 2 times 3. Okay, 3 3 is 9. After multiplication number is come 288. okay, and smallest 4-digit number is 1000. okay, so they will come 1000 divisible by 288. okay, they come 3 times. 3 8 is 24 to carry 3 8 is 24 and 2 26. okay, and 3 2 is 6 7 8. After subtraction is come 136. It's mean the 136 is more than is smallest 4-digit number. So they are required number. Correct spelling is required, REQUIRED. required number is 1000 plus 288 minus 136. This is the 1000 plus is the subtract. After subtraction is 152. So that answer is 1152 is the answer. okay, now question number 10. Find the LCM of the following number. First will be 9 and 4, 12 and 5, and 6 and 5, and 15 and 4. And extra question, you have observed the common property in the obtained LCM, and its LCM product of two number is the each case. okay, first you solve, then after observe the answer, what is the relation with answer of all questions. So first you LCM of 9 and 4. The LCM of 9 and 4, the LCM first will be LCM of 9 and 4. The 9 and 4 is first will be 2 is 2, 9 is 1, and 3 is 9. After 3 1 is 3. okay, that LCM is LCM of 9, 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is fine. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. okay, and second is LCM of 12 and 5. 12 and 5 first will be 2 2 6 is 12, and 5 will be then 2 3 is 6, and 3 1 is 3, and 5 1 is 1. okay, the LCM of 12 and 5 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, then 15 15 30 and 60. okay, and one question will be now 6 and 5. take LCM of 6 and 5. the 6 and 5 will be 2 2 3 is 6, 5 and 2 sorry 3 3 1 is 3, 5 and 5 and 1. 2 into 3 into 5, 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 15 2 is 30. okay, now this question is your homework. After this question solve, you have watched that the LCM of given number is equal to product of given number. LCM equal to product of number, because here is a 36, 9 4s are 36, here 60, 12 5s are 60, 30, and 6 5s are 30. After you find the 15 and 14, you observe the LCM of given number is equal to product of given number. Okay. Now next question number 11. Again you find the LCM of given numbers. First is 5 and 20, second number is 6 and 18, third number is 12 and 48, and 9 and 45. Okay, and then the question is, what do you observe the result? After find the LCM, you observe the result. That first will be LCM of 5 and 20. Okay, that 5 and 20, first will be 2, 5 10, and 2 5 5, and again 5 1 1. Okay, the LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, this is the 20. Okay, the next is LCM of 6 and 18, is 6 and 18, comma 2 3s are 2 9s are 18, 3 1s are 3 3 3s are, and 1 1. Okay, now LCM is 2 into 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. Now this 18. Now LCM of 12 and 18. Now 18 48 is 2 6 is 12 is 24, again 2 3 is 6 is 12, again 2 is 3 6, again 2 is 3 3, and this 3 and 1 1. The LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into and 2 into 3, 3 2 is 6, 6 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 24 2 is 48, and it is the homework. Okay, now observe the result. After your solution, you find the first LCM is 20, second LCM is 18, and third LCM is 48. The given number is big number is 20, big number is 18 and 48. The LCM is equal to, that LCM equal to is largest number of given two number. LCM of 5 and 20 is 20, LCM of 8 and 13 is 18, and LCM of 12 and 48 is 48. Here is the LCM is 14 is 45. After solution you check. Okay, now here the LCM of each two number is largest number of given number. Okay, now finish the exercise. Next day we will start the new chapter number 4. Okay, thank you.